Once upon a time, there was a kind farmer who loved his small farm. Every morning, he fed his chickens, cows, and ducks. One day, a big, beautiful peacock came dancing into his farm. Its feathers were shiny like rainbows. The farmer said, "Wow! You're the most beautiful bird I've ever seen." The peacock replied proudly, "Of course. I am not like your chickens. I'm a royal bird." Every day, the peacock danced, but never helped on the farm. The chickens picked grains, the cow gave milk, but the peacock just admired himself. One rainy day, the farmer was cold and hungry. He went to get eggs. The chickens had laid many, but the peacock had done nothing. The farmer said kindly, "Beauty is good, but hard work feeds us." The peacock felt ashamed and said, "From now on, I'll help too." So he started picking fruits and warning others when danger came. Now everyone loved him, not only for his beauty, but for his kindness too. Moral: beauty is nothing without hard work and kindness.